Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Tony. Today I'm right here on the Del Sol. As you can see, that two-seater with no back seats. All right. Now, I bought this car for $200. Y'all seen the videos. I bought it a couple days before Christmas. Now, I'm just gonna consider this my Christmas present because I kind of fell in love with this car. Now I gotta give her a name. Real small car. For those that got Del Sol, y'all already know how small this is. No seats. And yeah, I like it. It's a stick shift. And it does have some small problems. So it's a little project car. Now the motor is good. It runs good. It's not knocking. The car's not even smoking on the tailpipe. I drove the car. I tested it out. Shifts fine. The clutch is alright. But my friend did say that this car does have some issues, some problems. The car cranks up when it feels like, and I was thinking, okay, it could be maybe the starter, maybe the fuel pump might be going out, but I don't think it's a starter because it's when you turn the switch, well, when you try to crank it up, it cranks. I mean, it spins. The starter spins, but when I first cranked it up earlier today, I heard the fuel pump. Now I can't even hear the fuel pump. The fuel pump don't even come on. So it has to be either the fuel pump or a fuel relay. That's what I think. I've been watching some other videos where people have the same issue with their Hondas, and some people been saying that it could be a fuel relay. So y'all comment below if you think if you know what you think it could be. But I'm just gonna let you go ahead and check it out, guys. We're gonna try to crank it up so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the clutch, and you should be able to hear the fuel pump. But let's see if it comes on. No fuel pump. The fuel pump is not on. It didn't come on, but the starter does spin. Watch. All right, we're gonna try it again. We're gonna try it 2 more times. No fuel. Starter is working. We're gonna try again. No fuel. So yeah, that's crazy, huh? So yeah, like he said, the car cranks up when it feels like. So what could it be, huh? What could it be? Well, I know for sure we are not getting no fuel. I'm not hearing that fuel pump come on. So I'm gonna take this car. Once this car cranks up, probably I'm gonna see if I can crank it up tomorrow. If the car cranks up, I'm gonna take it to the shop. I have a little storage place, I call it shop, and I'm just gonna leave the car over there and take my time and diagnose the car, check the voltage on the fuel pump, and also check the now I don't know what the fuel relay is, so I gotta figure out what that is. I might have to do some research, watch some of y'all videos, or if you know, point me out to the right direction, comment below, and let me know what else I need to check. But here's another crazy thing that I just found out. Check this out. Check that out. Right here on the glove compartment box, I found all this crazy wiring. Now, I don't know if this is normal. It seems like somebody already worked on this car before. There's even a black wire. I can't reach it, but there's a black wire right there on the floor, and it's cut. So I can't reach it. There you go. There you go. Y'all see that? This is not normal, okay? So it seems like somebody already worked on this car before. I don't know. But that's the problem with this Del Sol. We are not getting no fuel, so we cannot crank this Del Sol. But like I said, comment below, let me know, point me to the right direction, what I need to do, and I'll get to it. All right, but that's the update on this Del Sol. This is my little Christmas project car, guys. I do have other few projects that y'all gonna see on the channel. It's just not just the Del Sol. Mostly I do have Hondas. I have 2 Civics, which y'all gonna see it on the next video. I have 2 other Civics. I have 2 Mustangs and 2 trucks. Yeah, 2 trucks and a big conversion van for those that like to see the big conversion vans. I'm still debating, should I keep it or sell it? I don't know. I love the van, I love the inside, but I'm still debating on that. But there are plenty of projects. Oh, and I have another Civic. See, that's the thing. When you have too many cars, you can't even keep up with what you have. I have 1, 2, 3 Civics, and they're the Soul. So y'all gonna see a lot of Honda videos on this channel, guys. But I do have 2 Mustangs that need work too. So for the Mustang lovers, y'all gonna see that too on this channel, and some truck videos, because I drive mainly trucks for my business. All right, so y'all stay tuned. It's your boy Tony, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.